Riju thinks of a number. He says that when the number is tripled and 9 is added to it, the answer is 27. Form and solve an equation to find the numbers Riju is thinking of. Now, some of you could just do that in your head. However, in an examination, where it says form and solve an equation, you have to actually form the equation and solve it in order to get the marks. Writing down the answer will not be enough. So let the number be x or some other letter, n if you prefer. So we've got x, and then what's the first thing we do to x? We triple it, so we multiply by 3, and then add 9, and we know that the answer is equal to 27. So there I have formed my equation. Now I need to solve it. So the opposite of adding 9 is to take 9 from both sides. So that will just give 3x on that side, and then 27 take 9 is equal to 18. And then I've got 3 times x, so the opposite of multiplying by 3 is to divide both sides by 3. So we're doing the same to both sides. 3x divided by 3 gives me x. 18 divided by 3 gives me 6. So the number he was thinking of was 6. Okay, this has been a video to show you how to use equations to solve a puzzle. Hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.